So this week we're going to make paper mache clay out of toilet paper. So I'm using someone's recipe, and she used 1 1/4 cup of toilet paper, 1 cup of drywall compound, and remember, do not use the DAP drywall compound, 3/4 cup of Elmer's glue. Now I don't have the white glue, I only have the clear glue, so I'm going to try and use the clear glue and see what happens. We're going to also include our drywall compound. Now remember, when you're utilizing drywall compound, you do not want to put this in your sink, so wash it out someplace so it doesn't get hard and clog up your pipes. And then you're going to use the Elmer's glue, 3/4 cup. And it's called PVA glue also. So right now I'm going to add in my flour, and I'm just going to do bit by bit, still using my blender. Okay, there we go. So we're going to leave that. We're going to do that portion. That's the bottom part. And I'm treating this like if it is drywall compound. Like if you're ever spreading drywall compound on the wall, it is better to get it as smooth as you can so that there is less sanding. If you wanted to tag me on any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me on, and I also have a Facebook page where you are able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description for all the additional information. Now we've gone through this week's art therapy session, you can check out this tutorial next. If you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.